Let us see how we can do this assignment using the tools available in the market. So I'll open this Claude AI and give it a prompt. Then I'll also open this other one called ChatGPT and ask it where I can get the material for this assignment. And it has given me several places where I can look at. So I will feed this to the Claude AI as well, so that it can assist it to do its research. So let me grab it like that, copy. Then I have Cloud Desktop. I'll just paste it. Wait. Then we'll also go to Gemini. No, Gemini. Where is Gemini? You go to Gemini and add the assignment. Let's just say upload. I want to upload the file because it's in JPEG format. So I will ask it where I can find the relevant material for the assignment. You can also do this manually by going to Google and look for the material, but Gemini is made from Google, so we just use it as well. It's given us all this material to do the research. Then the formatting, we can go to this site right here. Not the formatting, but the citation. Citation, we can use this site. So as I was saying, the citation we can get from this site right here. You just paste the web address to site, or you upload the PDF, then you get your material. Yeah, you can say new citation, then you upload the material that you want to cite up in here. So let's first of all do the work, then we'll come back to the citation. So let me grab this. So that I can assist Claude in doing its thing. I'm being asked if I'd like to get an outline for the essay to ensure that I hit the 3 to 5 page target. You can ignore that for now. Just grab this material, then I add it to Claude as well. Copy, Control C, copy. Then I will save that. Look for Claude. Paste it below this one. Then just hit let it generate what it can generate for us. So it's working, it's fetching the material for us. So you can see our research has been done and it is complete to the very end. We fed it the material to use and it went ahead, did all the things from the introduction all the way to the citation, in between the formatting. Even the citation, you can see it was formatted inside the work, and you can see even the bolding to the conclusion, to the references, and it provides the authors, the year, and even the links. These are the references. So you can see this did a very good job because it understood the assignment, went ahead and used the material we gave it, and now here we are. All that is remaining is to do some simple humanizing and also to edit, to remove the plagiarism, any other thing, and to understand the structure well. You can go ahead and do that. Apply the other tools like Grammarly, or you can use the other one that I gave in the other video, whereby you can humanize the document by using the humanizer skill, which is in the Cloud skills that I gave you. So you see, this is our work, and now it is opened in Word. Just go through it and make sure your work is okay, because the tough part has been done. So what is remaining is just the simple and small thing that you need to do. Ensure that you do that before you submit. So just go ahead and do that. And that is how you do your research easily. This gives you the heads up, and it removes the barrier where you are stuck and you don't know where to start. I'll see you in the next one.